its own.
Here, I'll just sneak peek. Hercules, my new shit. Make you feel strong right here. Look. Lately I've been going through so much, I need your mercy, please. Lately I've been praying so much, I swear it's starting to hurt my knees. No, I don't live perfectly, but I don't fuck up purposely. So God give me the strength I need, so I stay strong like Hercules. Dear Lord, our Father, thou art in heaven. I'm talking to you for my people who are not in heaven. From a land where dope gets cooked, made and sold. Our streets are paved with death, heavens are paved with gold. Blindfolded, we travel down this dangerous road. Caught swerving, can't regain control. They say God's love is strong enough to heal against the soul. Even when you slip and you trip and your ankle swole. Being broken, starving, shit takes its toll. Don't justify the things I've sold or the things that I stole. Forgive me for what I do as a villain, even to provide food for my children. But when I pray to you, God, I just get this beautiful feeling. I'm send this window to you through the ceiling. Lord, I've been going through so much, man, I need your mercy, please. Lately I've been praying so much, I swear it's starting to hurt my knees. I know I don't live perfectly, but I don't fuck up purposely. So God give me the strength I need, so I stay strong like Hercules. Lord, lately I don't speak to you much, but forgive me for not keeping in touch. It seems like Taylor County is trying to keep me in cuffs. It's like these vultures want to eat me for lunch. I done sat back and had to witness some of the greediest stuff. Fan backstab their fam because they're greedy for bucks. Women are beautiful, so they deceive you with lust. Till you fuck her, now you plant a little seed in the gut. You don't know if it's your kids, you end up bringing her up. Now you love her every single time you leave her. It sucks. You and your baby mama broke up, you don't see her for months. It's a reason that I'm bringing this up. Lord in heaven, the whole ring and then I'm breathing this up because it's emotionally eating me up. It was like Jesus on the cross when he was bleeding from cuts. I don't think mankind thanks you enough. But Lord, I'm going through so much. Man, I need your mercy, please. Lately I've been praying so much. I swear it's starting to hurt my knees. No, I don't live perfectly, but I don't fuck up purposely. So Lord, give me the strength I need, so I stay strong like Hercules. That's a banger, and that's coming soon to y'all. This is some YouTube sneak peek type shit.